Well, this month for Allure, there are a lot of different options for this beauty box. In previous months, we've all received the exact same items in our boxes. However, for February, there is not only a customization option, but there's also a few different products that you could receive in your box this month. So not everybody is going to be receiving the same products this month. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be taking a look at the February 2025 Allure Beauty Box. Now this subscription, it is no secret, it's one of my favorites. It is on my top 10 list, you guys, and actually right now it is in the #1 spot, mostly because of the value that you're receiving in exchange for the purchase of this box. So this box is one of my favorites. If you're interested in purchasing it, I will be posting a link down below for you. And then I also have a discount code available as well. And yes, like I said, there are customization options and there's some other products that could be in your box as well. So we might all have different boxes this month. Now, not only will you be able to save $5 by means of my code, you additionally are going to receive a free bonus product here in the month of February. Now, the only condition is you have to sign up in the month of February. So anyone that signs up is going to receive a free full-size product from Obagi Skincare. This product is their hydrating cream. So it is a moisturizer. What makes it a little bit different is that it has plant-based ingredients inside of it, and it's going to not only hydrate your skin, but it's also going to fight off signs of aging. Now this product retails for over $60 if you wanted to purchase this at the Obagi website. So why do that when you can get it for free? But on top of that, not only will you save $5 off of this month's box, not only will you get the free product, you're additionally going to receive a $10 coupon towards the Allure Beauty shop. Now this is a members only area, so after you sign up, you will be emailed an exclusive coupon code. This is a $10 gift card that you can use in their shop towards any of their products. Now, one of the things that I just saw today is there is a mystery box that's available from Allure, and I think it's about $29 to purchase it. So how awesome would that be? You can get this box, save $5, get a free product, and then get a $10 gift card, use it towards the mystery box, and get 10 more products. Now, I have not looked at the mystery box. I don't know what's going to be inside of it, but they do mention that of the 10 products, 8 of them are full-size items. So in my opinion, that's a pretty good deal. If you can use that gift card on top of that and get it for $19 for 10 products, I mean, I don't think we need to do the math. I think we all are in agreement here. That's a steal. So just as a suggestion, but the only way you're gonna get that $10 gift card is if you purchase here in the month of February. So that is why I'm saying you guys look into it. I got a link down below. Use the code to save some money as well, but I feel like you could get a really great stack of deals this month. Now, like I mentioned, you are able to customize one of the items inside of your February box. So everyone, whether you're new or existing, you are gonna be able to choose the shade on this very first product. So our first official item inside of the box is coming from Merit, and this is their full-size lip product. Now, this lip product is going to give you a little bit of shine, but there is a color tint to this. They have 4 different shades available for this product. The one that I have with me today is Bel Air. This is more of a translucent shade. However, it does have a warm glow to it. So this is what it will look like here, and it's effectively going to be a clear shade, but do you notice how it's got kind of that warm glow? This will definitely give you a little bit of a brighter look with your lips. Now, like I mentioned, this is a full-size product that we have here. So you could do a lipstick down below and then put this over top of it, and then it's just gonna go down and give you a little bit of a shine. It's not too strong of a pigment. I feel like this will work for everyone. I do like the other shades that they have available. I always feel like this is a little bit more versatile because you can wear it with everything, but I do think they're all very wearable shades. So no matter which one you pick out this month, they're all gonna be beautiful. I will say, after swatching this, it goes down really well. It's not thick. Sometimes with lip glosses, they'll get really thick. This is not that. It's also a very lightweight formula that I can't even tell that it's there. And that's not always the case. Sometimes I'll do swatches and I'm aware that it's there. I can feel it. It feels a little bit sticky or it's thick. This one is not like that at all. It's very lightweight. It's honestly a very thin formula. And I like that the shine is not too intense. It doesn't look like I'm dripping wet. So I like this one a lot for myself. If you wanted to purchase it, it's $24 for this full-size product. So this item right here just paid for your entire box. Whether you're new or existing this month, this will pay for your box. So I'm gonna show you guys the other shades that are available here. These are the 4 shades in total. My understanding is when I spoke to Allure that the Bel Air shade, the one that I just showed you, is the one that is the most popular as of right now. Now, the month is still very early. That could change, but if that's the shade that you're most drawn to, I would definitely order it right away. But like I said, you can choose these other 3 shades as well. This one is definitely more of a ruby red. This has more of a pink undertone to it. And then the other one that they have available is more of a neutral, like taupe color. Still very pretty. Like I said, I think you're gonna do well with all 4 of them. The next item that everyone will be receiving this month in February is from Skin Inc. Now this product, I gotta tell you guys, I'm very excited to have. I did a little bit of research on this product before I got my box in. I knew ahead of time that this product was coming in our February box. And I was like, I wanna look this up. Like, why is it so special? It's just a mask. And actually, it has won a ton of awards. So if you go on to Skin Inc.'s website, you'll see the massive list of awards that this product has won, mostly because you see results, but it's lightweight. You can put it on before bed. It's not gonna transfer onto your sheets. It's not a greasy mess either. It absorbs really quickly into your skin. So this one is their Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. It is a full-size product at 30 ml or 1 ounce, and it is all made in Korea. So this is a K-beauty skincare item. And the idea is that it's going to give you deep hydration with this mask. So they have hyaluronic acid in here. There's also going to be deep sea water and soybean extracts. All 3 ingredients are going to contribute towards hydration for your skin. You do need to leave this product on for at least 30 minutes before applying like any other makeup or anything afterwards. I would recommend just doing it right before bed. That way it will stay on. You're gonna get all of that moisture and hydration, and then in the morning you can just get right into your beauty routine. So that's why I would say do it at night, but you definitely could do it during the day as well. Just wait the 30 minutes before using your next product. Now, I bet you guys will never guess how much this costs because I didn't realize, and this is why I had to look it up, you guys, because Allure said this is an $85 product. And I was like, why is this an $85 product? Like, I don't get it. Well, like I said, they have a bunch of awards and you'll see on there that that's why it's so popular. This isn't the first time that they've done this, but I like that with this subscription, you can try out makeup and beauty from all over. Now, the next item that everyone is going to be receiving in their box this month could vary slightly. We are all receiving the exact same product, but there are 3 different scents available. Now, this is not a customization option. It is going to be at random. So when you open up your box, you will not know which scent you're going to have in there, but you are going to have the same product as everybody else. So inside of my box, I have the daily deodorant from Megababe. The scent that I have is lavender and mint. So you can definitely tell by the lavender color that that's what I got. Now the 3 scents that are available for this month, there is the lavender and mint combo, or there is a fruit enzyme combo, which I believe is lemon and orange scented. That would be really good, I bet. And then the other one that they have, I believe, is a rose scented deodorant that's available. So like I said, you can't pick your scent. That's the only thing. The scent is strong and it's not a bad scent at all. But the mint on here, I mean, it is so cooling. When it goes through my sinuses, I can actually feel how cold it is. Now, there are a couple of things I like about this. One thing is that all of the packaging on this bottle is 100% recycled, which I thought was really awesome to see. Additionally, this is more than just your traditional deodorant stick. So while this is going to cut down on odor, they've also infused skincare ingredients inside of this stick. That way we're taking care of the skin in our underarm area, which I do think is a little bit different because not a lot of deodorant companies focus on like the skincare aspect. They're mostly concerned about odor and eliminating the sweat. But this actually has niacinamide inside of it. There's black currant, and it says that this is actually going to brighten the appearance, but it's also going to give hydration. So it's going to help to prevent any irritation that you might have done there as well. Also included in our box this month, we do have a product from 3 Ships. We are all going to be receiving this product this month, and it is their hyaluronic acid serum. Now, this one is travel size that we have here. The idea is you're going to apply 1 to 2 drops of this onto your skin morning and night, and then this serum is going to give you that hydration that your skin will need, especially here in winter, but it's also going to fight signs of aging as well. Now, this one is cruelty-free, and it does have natural ingredients inside of it. It's also made in Canada. And we also have 2 products from Olaplex this month. So inside of everyone's February box, we will be receiving 2 products from Olaplex. These are hair care products. Now they are going to be slightly different, but they do work really well together. So we have number 6 and number 9. Number 6 is the leave-in styling treatment. So it's called their Bond Smoother. This one is designed to strengthen your hair, but to cut down on frizz. It's also going to give hydration, so it will cut down on split ends as well. The other one that we have is the Nourishing Hair Serum, and this one will help to smooth and protect your hair from any sort of future damage. So it will essentially seal in all of the nutrients into your hair with cutting down on frizz and everything. So these products, Olaplex is a great brand. I love seeing this in here. These are travel size at 20 mils, so there's not a ton of product here, but I do think there's enough here for you to try it out and to see if you like it or not. I will say Olaplex has been around for a while now, and I've seen a lot of great reviews. So if you are interested in this brand, I do think they're very effective. And honestly, they're not that expensive either. So even if you do fall in love with these products, it's not like it's gonna break the bank later. So inside of your February Allure box, you are going to be receiving 2 products from Olaplex in here. Both of these are going to be travel-sized items. Your 3rd travel-sized item for February will be from 3 Ships. This is going to be that facial serum that we talked about earlier. We additionally are going to have 3 full-size products, starting with our deodorant from Megababe. This product will come in 3 different scents. That's the only one that could vary from box to box. Additionally, we are also going to be receiving the Merit Lip product. This one is a customization option, so you do get to choose the shade on that item. And then you're also going to be receiving a Skin Ink mask. This is a full-size product as well. So this is what's included inside of everyone's box this month. The only thing that will vary is if you are a new member. So if you sign up in February, not only will you get all of these products, but you're additionally going to be receiving the full-size product from Obagi as well. So that is everything inside of our February box. Comment down below and let me know, what do you guys think of this month's beauty box? And like I said, if you would like to get it, make sure you order in the month of February in order to take part in all of these deals. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye!